Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to be talking about a website where you can download all kinds of software for your PC or Mac. They're all safe, there's no viruses or malware in them, so you don't have to worry about that. And each one, or most of them, have a free version and then a pro version. But I'm going to be talking about the free versions because most people, that's what they want to try. And if they really like it, then they can buy the pro version. Okay, but if you are making money online or if you work from home, this website is a perfect or an awesome resource for you. So for those of you who do a lot of transcription or dictation, or you do a lot of, like if you do Fiverr gigs, or if you want to start making money doing these, there's tools and or software that you could download that will expedite those tasks very quickly, and you can get more done. So, for example, the transcribing software, you upload whatever it is you want to have transcribed, and then the software will do it all for you. Okay, so you can cut your time down in half. You can get a lot more transcription jobs, like this right here. Download it for free. So basically what you do is you load it into the software, transcribe it, and then you send it to whoever hired you to do the job. And it's just, this is so cool. I mean, I can't say enough about it. There's just so many options here. And the cool thing is they're all free. So you have all kinds of different software categories. You have audio tools, video tools, dictation and typist, FTP, business software, webcam software, software converters, photo and graphic software, editing software, recording software, sound recording software, voice recording, and more. And then here's a section for the popular downloads, and then other services. So it's really, really cool. They even have an affiliate program that you can join through Commission Junction, and I believe there was one more that you could join through RegNow, which is part of Digital River. So if Commission Junction turns you down, you can always go to RegNow if you want to. That's an option that you have. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to really focus on the software itself to just let you know. Now I'm going to leave a link to the website in the description of this video. You can check it out at your leisure and decide what you want. I know I'm going to be here for a while, and I just downloaded this. It's right here. So basically what you do is you just upload the file into the software and it will do all the work for you. Okay? So there's a lot of business people out there who produce videos, and they want their videos transcribed. A lot of news organizations, a lot of websites that have videos, they want that information transcribed so they can add that text at like an article for the video. So people can either watch the video or they can read the text. So I see that a lot on different websites. So this is one option for you. If you wanted to get into more audio or podcasting, there's audio software. There's utility software, graphics, photo editors. You know, you could use a lot of this software to start your own business. So if you want to get into, you know, like making logos or editing images or transcribing videos or audios, you could do that using some of these tools and make money. So it wouldn't cost you a dime to start, and you can actually start making money with this stuff. So it's a great option. Hope you check it out. and utilize this free software for your Mac or your PC. Thanks.